Hello, this video is for AMPCOM new arrival tool free CAT6 and CAT6A RJ45 plug termination. Let's check it. First, passing the Ethernet cable through the screw-on ends and boots. Then, cutting off the outer jacket with stripping tool. Tidy up the core wire and then insert it into the load bar according to the wiring diagram. Use scissors or pliers to cut off the excess core wire. Put the terminate ends on the crimping kit. Close the crimping tool and press firmly on the end to terminate the cable successfully. Finally, snap in the boots and screw on the ends. The process is complete. The results of the test through the network test are 1 to 8 cable conductivity. The test passed. Of course, it can also pass the Fluke DSX 8000 channel test. This connector is suitable for all kinds of devices with RJ45 interface. Transparent connector is CAT6. Coffee-colored connector for CAT6A.